What's up, everybody? This is Eric the Tech Preacher from Easy Computer Solutions. So it's time to do the gaming review on the LG Stylo 6. This device has the MediaTek processor with 3 gigs of RAM. And so the performance so far on this phone has not been that great. It's been okay, but it's not been like really snappy. It does take some patience to navigate with this device, especially with opening up apps. Well, let's go and do 30 minutes of gaming and see if this phone can game. Now, this phone cost me $300. Now, you could pick this device up at Boost Mobile if you're doing an upgrade for like $178, or if you already on Boost Mobile, you can get this device for about $215 off the website. But if you walk in a Boost Mobile cash and carry, it cost me $299 plus tax, so it was over $300 for this phone. So let's go to do 30 minutes of gaming and see if this device can game. Sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So let's go and do the gaming review with the LG Stylo 6. What I'm going to do is let y'all guys see the battery life. Right now I'm at 100% battery life. I got 4 games queued up. I have nothing in the background. I do have a temperature gauge going on in the background, so that is something going on. Right now we're at 89 degrees Fahrenheit. The CPU has been kind of going up and down, but it's nice, cool. It's cool to the touch, so no excuses. All right. So let's go on and play some high-end games. I don't mess around with the low-end games. When I do my gaming review, I like to do high-end games. But let's go on and start this off with Dead Trigger 2. So once again, it's, as you can see, it's taking a while to load this game. Wow, I mean, at least 10 seconds to load the game so far. All right, let's go. And I mean, it's very loud. Let's turn it down so I can give you guys some commentary. Now, as far as the graphics, the graphics has been pretty good on here. Now, as far as the frame rate has not been that great. I have noticed that the game does have some flickering, and hold on a second, let's yeah, we gonna start that over. Oh, it crashed on me. Oh wow. Okay, so to start this off, I was trying to turn up the display a little bit, and the app crashed on me. All right, so I want y'all guys to see this. We're about a minute in, and we're gonna play some 30 minutes of game here. Let's turn this up a little bit, get some volume here. All right. Now, as far as the gameplay, I've noticed when I've been playing games, and I played a few games before I started this review here, that the frame rates is going to drop once you get kind of later on, close to 10 minutes, a little after 10 minutes, the frame rates will drop a little bit. So you're going to see some drop frames and stuff like that. So yeah, but when you first start playing games on this device, yes, it will play fantastic because the device is cool and it's not being overdriven right now. So you're definitely going to enjoy, you know, playing games while the device is cool. But you would notice once I get probably to 15-20 minutes or so, the device will start getting a little worse off. Okay, that's cool. All right, so we're about 2 minutes in, and we still rocking and rolling. The gameplay has been okay. All right, so I'm about 7 minutes in, and I just died. Let's get out of here. The device is getting a little warm, and as you can see, I swiped up. Look how long it's gonna take to go back to the home screen. Look at that. Wow. All right, so a couple of attempts to get back to the home screen, and let's go back to our CPU temp. Saying 91 degrees. Look like we peaked out here. So when we look at the graphs, The graphs here said was peaked out a little bit, so I want y'all guys to see that the CPU's while it's at 100% right now, trying to gravitate to everything. Okay, all right, so let's go to the Go and play some Modern Combat 5. So here we go. And as the game is starting here, I tell you, ooh, it is. Look at the frames on here. Ooh. All right, so look at that. The frames is very, very, very bad right now. So I'm getting very bad frame rates right now. And yes, I could definitely go in and change the frame rates here. So I mean, I just want y'all guys to see that it's at 30 frames per second, and it should play at 30 frames per second, but it's definitely, you know, it's not playing. And look, it's on optimal. So just so you know here, okay. All right, and just so you know, go stab him in the neck right quick, pick up the gun, and nah, man, okay, definitely not a good experience going on here. The frame rates is really bad. I can see that the frame rate's dropping to about at least 10 frames per second at this point. It's probably going at least 10 to 15 frames per second. It's too much graphics intensive stuff going on here. This MediaTek processor definitely can't do it with this game here. Come on, get it up there. All right, not the best experience going on here. Okay, all right, so just so you know, this game right here, Modern Combat 5, is probably going to be a no-go on this device. The gaming experience, the low frame rates, I got it at 30 frames. Look like it's around 10 to 15 frames per second right now. At the bottom of the device is very hot right now, and I'm only about 12 minutes in. So let's see, let's get out of here. Okay, yeah, we can't play this game. All right, so as you can see that playing this game and trying to, you know, going back to the home screen, it does take a little while longer to do. The problem with what I see what's going on here is that LG should have at least put a 660 processor, maybe 4 gigs of RAM in here to kind of give you a little more smoother play. But right now, no, it's not happening. Let's play some Asphalt 8. The load times is pretty long. So just so you know that I know I'm complaining about long wait times of booting up a game. I mean, it's definitely something that you have to understand, that when you're going to play a game, you have to have patience. All right, 15 minutes in, guys. All right, let's see what we got. Now, here's the thing about the sound here. Let me pause this for a second. Now, when I say it's loud, but it's not that great as far as sound quality. I will tell you that it is loud, but the sound quality is not. It sounds like just a bunch of noise. Even though I'm saying it's loud, listen to that. As you listen to that, it sounds loud, but it's the sound quality isn't there. So just so you know, when you're playing games here, yes, it's loud, but the sound quality isn't there, and this phone is getting hot. So just so you know, all at the bottom right there is pretty warm to the touch. Let's go on and play some games here. So let's go on and do some Call of Duty here. All right. And again, load times obviously is going to be pretty high. So let's go, let it load. All right, guys. So literally 2.5 minutes for load time here to load this game up. Took an awful long time to load this game, and it's still not loaded yet. But just to get to this point, it was about 2.5 minutes. Just so you know, And I do understand that, this is a high intensive game. It just goes to the fact that, when I review mid-tier devices, they have a lot of mid-tier devices that I reviewed on this YouTube channel that really pass my gaming review. But as of lately, a lot of the newer mid-tier devices is not passing my gaming review. If you go back and look at my YouTube channel, you will see that a lot of mid-tier devices blew me away with performance and everything in between. I am not seeing that as of lately with these devices. I'm not sure why, but I am not impressed at some of the newer devices that's coming out. That's out. Especially when it comes down to the mid tiers. Again, go back. I've been making YouTube videos for almost 5 years. I've been doing gaming reviews for years, and I've had a lot of devices that really blew me away. These devices here, the newer devices, is not blowing me away. I got killed. Come on. And oh man. Come on. Yeah, at least the screen is not dimming, so I'm good with that. But it's definitely not the best gameplay going on right now. I mean, it's okay. Come on. God dog it. I guess y'all guys say he just can't play. No, I've played this pretty well. Is this the lagginess of the latency of the screen to shooting ratio is the one that's getting to me. So yeah. Come on. Yeah, all right. Let's go. Come on. Yes. I mean, I'm just having a bad game day. How about that? I'm just having a bad game day, that's all. Let me put this phone down a little bit so I can play because it's hot. Yeah, all right, cool. All right, look, we go end this. All right, look, check this out, right? Okay, all right. So when I played Dead Trigger 2, and let's see if we got out of this game here. Let's see how long it's gonna take. Swipe up. Let's get out of it. There we go. All right, so closing the game out does take a few little things here. Look, man, let me tell you something. This phone is absolutely gorgeous, right? It's a very well built device, right? But it doesn't have the specs under the hood to prove it. Like, I mean, right now the device is really warm. Like, all in this area is pretty hot, right? And let's see, let's do the fingerprint scanner. Oh, so I mean, yeah, so you could tell that the phone is throttling. All right, let's try that again. So I mean, right now the phone is definitely lagging out. See that? You can tell, see it's lagging out on me. So the phone is definitely lagging out, and I don't know why LG made that choice of putting the MediaTek processor in it, because this phone could be a beast if they would have put like the 750 processor. This charges $499 for it. I would have been great with that, like, right? So I mean, this is not for gamers, man. You know what I'm saying? I just want to keep it real. I'm not going to sit up here and tell you guys that go out and get this phone. It's going to be a great gaming phone. This phone would not be a great gaming phone. This phone would not play Call of Duty. This phone would not play high-end games. If you're going to play stuff like Pac-Man or Solitary or something like that, yes. But if you will get in this game and you say, I'm going to put a wireless controller on here and I'm going to play some good games for $300, no, this is not a gaming phone. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the LG Stylo 6 in all its glory.